Rajasthan Assembly Speaker C.P. Joshi had moved Supreme Court against Rajasthan High Court order. The Speaker has assailed the order passed by the Rajasthan High Court restraining the Speaker from proceeding against Sachin Pilot and other MLAs on the ground of being against the 10th Schedule. The Rajasthan Speaker had requested the Supreme Court to stop the High Court from delivering any verdict on the petition by Sachin Pilot and 18 more Congress rebels challenging disqualification notices from him.
The Speaker of Rajasthan Assembly, C.P. Joshi, has moved the Supreme Court against the order passed by the Rajasthan High Court in the case concerning disqualification notice served on Sachin Pilot and 18 other MLAs. The Rajasthan Speaker has requested the Supreme Court to stop the High Court from delivering any verdict on the petition by Sachin Pilot and 18 more Congress rebels challenging disqualification notices from him. Team Pilot has also filed a petition asking to be heard before the court takes a decision on the Speaker's request. The High Court in its order had effectively restrained the Speaker from proceeding against Pilot and other MLAs. The plea contends that this direction of the High Court is in teeth of the 10th Schedule and legal principle laid down in the Xth Schedule case. Assailing the order, the Speaker has averred that it is a well-settled legal principle laid down by a constitution bench of the Supreme Court in the Xth Schedule case that the courts cannot interfere in the 10th Schedule proceedings, considering that the same falls within the domain of the proceedings of the House. As such, the order of the High Court is ex facie illegal, perverse and in contravention of the provisions of the Constitution. It is said the notices issued by the Speaker on July 14 to Pilot and other MLAs were only for the purpose of seeking their response as regards initiating disqualification proceedings. There was nothing adverse or prejudicial against respondents in these notices, the plea says. Moreover, the issuance of notice being part of the proceedings of the House is protected under the cover of Article 212 of the Constitution of India and is immune to judicial interference, it is argued. The scheme of the 10th Schedule envisions a limited scope of judicial review or intervention in the matters pertaining to disqualification of members. Even after final orders as regards disqualification are passed, both the Supreme Court as well as High Courts have a limited scope for intervention. Therefore, the court oversteps its jurisdiction, it is claimed by the Speaker, who says that the order passed by the High Court goes not only against the 10th Schedule but also against the precedent laid down by the Supreme Court itself. The Speaker has sought an urgent hearing in the case. Bureau Report.